This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John Decker. Live the coastal lifestyle in this exceptional 2-story condo renovated and refined to top-shelf condition. Located on the North End Gold Coast, just steps to the ocean and just minutes to premier shopping and restaurants. This home offers the very best in finishes and features. Gorgeous flooring, updated carpet, totally remodeled luxe kitchen west/granite tops, custom cabinets and stainless appliances. Spacious open bedrooms and stylish updated bathrooms complete west/select plumbing and lighting fixtures. Gas logs and wet bar. Hardi-plank siding, newer roof and HVAC. Multiple exterior decks and spectacular sunroom allowing for year-round entertaining and enjoyment. Low-maintenance landscaping and ample storage west/off-street parking and attached garage. This property is a perfect vacation getaway or turnkey year-round home. Contact the listing agent for a private tour today. Available now. For more information.